Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D sheet metal part with the help of FreeCAD Part Design, Draft Part, and Sheet Metal Workbenches. The tools that I used to create this sheet metal part are Extrude, Text, Add Base Shape, and Make Forming in Wall. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this folded and embossed sheet metal part. First, start the FreeCAD empty file workspace and then insert new body. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and then sketch the rectangle at the origin. Set the dimensions according to the requirement or according to the drawing. The sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 2.5 millimeters. In step 2, we create the text on the top face of the created part in Draft Workbench. Activate the Shape from Text tool and then set the position, the size, and the text type in the dialog window. In the string field, type a text what you want. Select the text type from the Windows library. Now position the text to the center. In step 3, we create the 3D text with the Extrude tool. Next, switch to Part Workbench and then give thickness to the created text with the help of Extrude tool. Move the extruded text to the body. As you see, the forming tool is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 4, we create the sheet metal profile and then emboss it with the created forming tool. Now, activate the Make Base Wall tool and then select the option Box Shape type. Now set the parameters according to the specification. Next, reposition one of the body for selecting the proper face. Now select the sheet metal face to emboss and then hold down the Control button and add the bottom face of the forming tool. Then invoke the Make Forming in Wall tool. Click OK to confirm. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the sheet metal. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD sheet metal. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.